Let's see how to easily create unique and great effects in 3D. The projection stages are views of your 3D structure from different positions. By default, stages are added together to generate the final result. Here we have a circle playing on the front stage. If we play the same circle on the top stage, we see two cylinders. By playing the circle on the side stage, we get three cylinders at different angles in 3D. What would happen if stages were multiplied instead of added? Go in the Stage Managers under the Stages menu and change the merge mode for the top and side stages to be multiply. The result is the intersection of the three cylinders, which is close to a sphere. You're basically sculpting in 3D, with each stage removing some LEDs. You can add projection stages as needed. The best way to create great effects is to mix multiple media and use the 3D monitor. Let's look at some inspiring examples. Often, playing the same media on multiple projection stages gives good results. It's really a research process, where you try different media and make interesting discoveries along the way. Have fun exploring?